Hi, Paul Parducci here. So, for quite a while now, there have been strange sounds recorded uh, coming from somewhere. They're described as coming from the sky, but in actuality, in all these reports, they really don't know where these sounds are coming from. So, take a look at this.
Ich weiß es nicht. Was aber?
So, pretty strange, right? Well, now here's one that I made. That could read creepy. I'm not saying that all these videos are fake. I'm just saying that they're not that hard to make, and combination of misdirection, you're looking at the sky, you have expectations of what that should sound like, whether it's a peaceful meadow, the woods, a little town. If you add some sound effects into the mix, manipulate the sound effects, we can jump to conclusions, right? So, as in all things, an extra thought or two is usually appropriate. Have a great day. See you next time.